Welcome to HR Convo, the leading platform for simplifying daily HR writing tasks through advanced AI technology. HR Convo provides a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline email drafting, policy creation, plan development, interview question generation, and more. Our AI-driven solutions ensure efficiency and precision, empowering HR professionals to achieve excellence in every aspect of their work. Getting started is easy. Simply log in or sign up if you're a new user. Once logged in, explore our AI Writer feature. Choose from categories such as compensation and benefits, emails, policies and procedures, interview questions, development plans, and more. Need to draft a compensation and benefits document? Select the template you need, fill in the necessary details, and let our AI craft a professional document for you in moments. Let's go to writing emails. Select Emails. Fill in the necessary details such as recipient, subject, and key points, and our AI will generate a professional email for you in seconds. HR policies are critical for any organization. Select the type of policy you need, and our AI will generate a well-structured document tailored to your requirements. Struggling to formulate interview questions? Choose from a wide range of templates based on job roles and key skills. Just provide the job title and other information, and HR Convo will generate insightful questions to help you find the best candidates. Creating a training and development plan has never been easier. Choose from templates like Competency Development Plan, input your specifics, and receive a polished document instantly. Review, download, and utilize your documents right away. It's that simple. With our AI editor, HR staff can effortlessly edit and customize their templates. Refine any text with AI Rewrite. Instantly improve and reshape content to meet your needs. Adjust fonts, colors, and images to match your company's branding. Enhance your documents with AI-driven features such as summarize, improve writing, check grammar, and adjust style. Tailor each template to meet your specific needs with ease. Engage with 12 HR AI experts through AI chat to solve problems, seek solutions, or get expert suggestions. Tap into expertise covering categories include Agile HR, Adaptive Organizations, Training and Development, HR Consulting, and more. Explore AI Vision. Upload images to extract relevant information instantly. Leverage AI File Chat. Upload any HR-related document, including employee appraisals, minutes of meetings, interview results, and reports. Interact with AI to gain insights or discuss the contents of Word, PDF, or CSV files, making your HR processes more efficient and effective. HR Convo offers 19 categories related to HR writing tasks, ensuring all your needs are covered. The tasks we've shown today are just a few of the many features available. Streamline your HR tasks with HR Convo today. Visit us at www.hrconvo.com and transform the way you work.